In today's video, we're going to discuss some slang words for excellent. In case you don't know what slang words are informal words used in spoken English. So let's get started with the very first one, which is dope. The literal meaning of dope is cannabis or marijuana or heroin or any other drug for that matter, but the slang meaning is excellent. So I'll give you a few examples. Those shoes were dope, or your hairstyle is dope. The next one is sick. I know I don't have to explain to you what sick is in its literal sense, but here it is very good or great or excellent. So an example sentence would be, those dance moves were sick, or your videos are sick. Okay. The next one is wicked. The literal meaning of wicked is evil, but the slang meaning is, of course. A few examples for wicked are, that's a wicked car, or that flying kick was wicked. The next one is killer. Now, killer means something or someone that kills. And as a slang word, you know what it means. A few examples for killer are, she has a killer smile, or I'm smitten by your killer looks. The final slang word that I'll be discussing today is savage. Savage. Now, savage means wild. That's what it originally means. But in slang, it means something that's extremely impressive or excellent. It also has an element of boldness to it. To give you an example, I would say, recently a friend of mine, he came to me and he said, you know, that thing you did, presenting content while skydiving, that was savage. It can also be used in the context of jokes, remarks, or comebacks. An example for this is, your reply was savage. So that's pretty much it. And in case you want to know more details about the courses we provide at English House, you can click the link in the description. I'll see you again.
English House. WhatsApp-lൂടെ learning bro.